Bye, Tony. You'll be back soon. Tony's gonna leave us for a brief moment. Just brief. Don't go too far. She's going to Wisconsin. Well, this is the first song that I had the privilege of playing with Mr. Josh Turner here in his noisy Brooklyn apartment. You guys really can deal with some noise living here, I think. We did get one take in between the garbage trucks and the other things that came by.
Hey man, can I get my guitar on here?
The good kind of noise. There we go. Yeah, the postal service, the telephone wire, and there are passenger pigeons to take your words up higher. There are walkie-talkies, fiber optic repeat, and there were infinite channels between you and me. It don't matter, pretty baby, it wasn't note upon your door. It don't matter how you said it, you don't love me no more. You don't love me no more. You don't love me no more.
I could hijack the airwaves and say I want you back. I could put us in a novel and rewrite the past.
Could string up the words behind a long airplane and wait for your answer to come back again. It don't matter, pretty baby, I found the words I'm looking for. It don't matter how I say it, you don't love me no more. Could hire a man to swim across the sea and plant a little kiss on your cheek for me. Could write you a letter and cross all my T's and put it in the belly of a great submarine. It don't matter, pretty baby, if my words never reach the shore. It don't matter if I say it, you don't love me no more. Could put a lonely billboard on every city road, or have the stars blotted out in a brilliant Morse code. Would make no difference,
Pretty baby, you don't love me no more. It don't matter, pretty baby, you don't love me no more. 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 You don't love me no more.
Get Tony back up here.